Hey guys, welcome back to Rakwan. In this video, we are going to see how we can create the forensic snapshot for a device and where we can access this specific forensic snapshot. So just go to the actions. First, obviously, you have to reach out to your computers, then click on the actions and there is a options called create forensic snapshots. We are about to create a forensic snapshot on this computer. The snapshots gets data from the Sophos logs of the computer activity and saves it to the computer. You can change the time period of the snapshot or enable to upload in the global S3 bucket. You will need the convert to you will need a converter to read this data. Get instructions here how to find snapshots and download the converter. So let's open this page as well. We will get a better idea like what exactly the thing is. So I just have to click on create new or create now. It will take few minutes and we will be getting an alert here. Okay, this has been created. So yeah, this is what. So for XDR, forensic snapshots, how we can create it, where the device can snapshot be allocated. It will give the path of the devices. Then there is a exporter tool, which is like the converted the XDR exporter utility snapshots a device into a format that will allow advanced queries to be run. The snapshot can be run converted to a SQLite database or the JSON. So that's the very good feature. Specifically, like I like the feature converting a snapshot. Minimal tool uses the specify the path and you can connect the uploading the forensic snapshots to the AWS bucket. We can also do that going to the security policies, create policies JSON, and you can connect your AWS with the Sophos, which probably will not cover in this video, but yeah, you can utilize as well. Well, so yeah, like after few seconds, you will be receiving one notifications like, okay, this path has been created, and where you can access a specific file. So this would be the end of the Sophos directories, which is like where they will give the locations where it usually save the specific file. So yeah. Program data, Sophos Endpoint defense. Let me try the same thing. Where they are probably program data. Okay, guys, Windows. Probably program data. They would be referring to a program file, which I think. Let's see. Suppose is there. Management. No. Endpoint defense. They want us to go. So probably let's check all the program files. The normal one. Again, suppose will be there. Yeah. Endpoint defense. Then go to the data forensics. They don't have any folder here. So probably what we have to do again is data defense data, saved data directories. So guys, specifically like you can access this path from here and go to your devices and not with the temper protection and all admin version the elevated command from to the ethics. Okay, so that's why we are not able to get the snapshot access. Let me turn off the temper protection so I can show you like where we can not yeah, okay, temper protection has been turned off. Yeah, so guys, like after waiting for few minutes we were able to see the this specific folder and here you can access the forensic snapshots which is under comes under the snapshots. Again it will ask for the admin permissions. Folder seems empty. It should be containing. Okay, sorry. This folder which we were talking about, which is like forensic snapshots. Yeah, we have created two snapshots, and you can import, export these snapshots, and you can see what data inside these snapshot as well.